Good morning, my dear children. Sai Ram, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, children, today in this video, we will begin a new chapter from your science book. Okay? So, children, see, if I will ask you, tell me the body parts name, most of you will say eyes, ears, nose, hands, head, and all, because all these body parts are visible. It is visible, everyone can see, right? But do we have only these body parts? No. Inside, internal body parts are also there. Internal body parts are also there, right? Now, have you ever noticed that what are the work of those internal body parts? Now you can see, you can tell that eyes are for watching, right? Ears are for listening, nose is for smelling. You all know that very well. But what about the internal body parts? What about the internal organs which we are having? What is the work of that internal organs, that internal body parts? Right. So children, we will start new chapter, that is human body. Okay, human body. So in this chapter you will going to learn about the different organ system, main organ system of our body and how it functions. Okay, how it functions. So children, as see that our body is just like a machine, like car, bus, computer, like bus has engine, door, and etc, right? To perform all these machines, all these parts work together to perform, to operate bus, so that bus will able to move. All these parts has to be function together, right? In the same way, all the body parts which we are having, all these parts has to perform together, has to perform a function together, so that our body works. Okay, so that our body works. Okay, so our body is just like a machine. All the organs work together to do a specific job, and because of that our body is able to run, able to move, we are able to live. Okay, so the topics which we will going to cover is what is an organ. Okay, what is an organ? You should know what is organ. Then sense organs, many of you know this. Organ system, what is organ system? And skeletal system. Skeletal system. See children, as I have told you, our body is just like a machine. It is a machine, you can say. Our body is a machine. It functions like a machine. Okay, if it does not, then we will not be able to live, we will not be able to survive. So our body is made up of many parts, just like a machine, just like the parts of a bus. In the same way, our body is made up of many parts, and all these parts work together. All these parts work together, and each part has its own job to do. Okay, our body is made up of many parts that work together, and each part has its own job, has its own function to be performed. Each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ. Each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ. Is called an organ. Okay, so that means our body has many parts, and all these parts work together, and has their own function, own performance, own job to do. And each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ, is called an organ. Okay, now here see, an organ system has many organs, and these organs work together to perform one specific function. Now look here children, this eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue, all these are organ. All these are organs. All these are organs. Now eyes has its own job to do, ears has its own job to do, nose has its own job to do, skin has its own job to do, tongue has its own job to do. That means all these organs has their own work to perform, right? Own job to do. So an organ system has many organs, and these organs work together to perform one specific function. Now all these five organ system work together to perform one specific function. Okay, so our body possesses five main sense organs, and these are eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. That means all these organs has their own job to do. When all these organs perform one specific function, then it becomes sense organ. It will be known as sense organ. Okay, sense organ. So our body possesses five main sense organs, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, eyes helps us to see things. Ears helps us to listen different sounds. Okay, eyes helps us to see things, that is this beautiful world, beautiful colors, beautiful flowers and so many different things. Ears helps us to listen different sounds, pleasant sounds, unpleasant sounds. By listening you can tell which sound is pleasant and which sound is unpleasant. Nose helps us to smell. You can tell which smell is bad and which smell is good. Tongue helps us to taste different foods. That means with the help of your tongue you can tell which food is salty, which food is sour, which food is bitter, which food is sweet. So tongue helps us to taste different foods. Skin helps us to feel. When someone beat you, when someone pinch you, it will hurt you because of your skin, because you can feel. Right? If someone pat you, if someone rub, then you can feel because of your skin. So skin helps us to feel. So eyes is for seeing, ears is for hearing, nose is for smelling, tongue is for tasting and skin is for feeling. Okay, so all these organs together make an organ and together make a sense organ. Okay, so seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling are the five things that help you to know the world around you, and they are called five senses. And all these five organs together make a sense organ. Okay, together make sense organ. So did you know that each eye of an insect is made up of more than 100 small eyes? That means each eye of an insect is made up of more than 100 small eyes, and they can see all around. And that is why it is so difficult to catch a fly. That means they have more than 100 small eyes. Okay, so that is why their vision is so good and they are able to look all around, and that is the reason why we are not able to catch a fly easily. Now see children, do you know that birds have ears? Have you ever seen? No, but birds have ears. Okay, birds have holes in their heads near their eyes, and which help them to hear. They have hole in their head near their eyes. Okay, that hole is their ears, and with the help of that they are able to hear. So their ears are covered by soft feathers, and that is why it is not visible. Okay, now what is an organ system? A group of organs working together to do an important job is called an organ system. A group of organs. There I have told you that all those group of organs were working together to do an important job, to do a specific job. That is what they are doing, they are sensing, right? A group of organs working together to do an important job, important function is called an organ system, is called an organ system. There are 8 main organ systems in a human body. Okay, there are how many? 8 main organ systems in a human body. If one of these organ system doesn't work properly, our body will be get affected. So all these 8 main organ system has to be performed well, has to be function well, then only our body will be healthy. Okay, so a group of organs are working together to do an important job, to do a specific action is called an organ system. And there are 8 main organ systems in a human body. There are 8 main organ systems in a human body. Okay, so this is a constituents of our body. See children, our human body is made up of a smallest unit that is cells. Okay, cells are the smallest unit of our body. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Many smaller cells make up a tissue. Many smaller cells make up a tissue, and many different tissues make an organ. Many different tissues make an organ. An organ system is formed by a group of organs, and different organ make an organism or living being. Okay, many different organ make an organism or living being. So as I have told you, there are 8 main organ system, and today we will discuss one of them, that is skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system. Now here you can see skull, neck bone. See all these bones which you can see here children, you can feel all these bones in your body when you will touch. Okay, so skull, neck bone, ribs, backbone, thigh bones, joints, you can see all these bones. See means you can feel all these bones in your body. Okay, so our skeletal system is the frame of our body. Here you can see it is giving a structure to our body, it is giving a frame to our body. Otherwise, if this bone would not be there, then can you even imagine how would our body would look, right? So this skeletal system gives structure to our body, give frame to our body, give shape to our body. So our skeletal system is the frame of our body. It gives shape and size to our body. Okay, it gives shape and size to our body. It also protects the delicate soft organs of our body. Inside these bones we have very soft and delicate organs. Okay, we have very soft and delicate organs. So these bones, this skeletal system protects the delicate and soft organs of our body. Total there are 206 bones in an adult body. 206 bones in an adult human body, and they are joined together and form a framework known as the skeletal system or skeletal system. That means all the 206 bones are joined together to form this structure. Okay, to form this structure. Did you know children that in newborn baby there are total 300 bones? How many? 300 bones in newborn baby. And when they grow up, all these bones get diffused and it becomes 206. Okay, 206. So there are 206 bones in an adult body. They are joined together and form a framework structure known as the skeleton or skeletal system. All these bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that it can move parts of our body. That means we can move our hands freely, we can move our legs, we are able to talk, we are able to walk, we are able to move our hands because of skeletal system. We are able to move our head because of skeletal system, because the bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that it can move parts of body freely. Okay, freely. Now here, look at this here in this here are some pictures, right? Name the sense organ used in each of the following cases. So here in the first picture, what she is doing here, children, what she is doing, what the girl is doing, she is smelling a flower. She is smelling a flower. Which organ she is using here? Yes, nose. Which organ she is using here? Nose. Here, this boy is doing what? This boy is watching television. Which organ he is using? Eyes. Which organ he is using? Eyes. Next picture, the boy is listening music. The boy is listening music. Which organ? Ears. Which organ? Ears. And in the second last picture, the boy is touching the toy. Which organ he is using? Playing also. Which organ he is using? Skin. Skin. And in this one, in the last picture, the boy is eating ice cream. So which organ he is using here? Tongue. Which organ he is using here? Tongue. Okay. Now, select the correct option. First, which of these is a sense organ? Options are eye, ear, tongue, or all of these. All of these, because eye, ear, tongue, all of these are sense organ. All of these are sense organ. Second question, which of these organ systems protects the soft organs of the body? Digestive system, muscular system, skeletal system, or respiratory system? Skeletal system. Skeletal system protects the soft, delicate organs of the body. Then third one is, there are dash bones in adult body. How many bones are there in adult body? 206. All these 206 bones are joined together to form a structure, to form a framework, that is skeletal system. So there are total 206 bones in adult body, and in newborn 300, right? 300. Now, B question, which organ is used to sense the following? The color of an apple. We can see color of an apple because of eyes. The music on the radio. We are able to hear, we are able to listen music on the radio because of our ears. The smell of food. We are able to smell the food because of our nose. The taste of medicine. We can taste of medicine we can taste because of our tongue. And the smoothness of clay we can feel because of skin. Because of skin. Now fill in the blanks. First, the five sense organs are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Five sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. All these together make what? Sense organ. Now second, dash are the smallest unit of our body. Cells are the smallest unit of our body. Cells make tissue, tissue make organ, organ make organ system, and that is how the living being, the living organism is made. Third, many organs together make an dash system. Many organs together make an organ system. Organ system. Fourth, each eye of an insect is made up of more than a dash small eyes. More than 100 small eyes. Okay. So, the remaining 7 main organ system we will discuss in our next video. Okay, children. So, till then, go through the video again. Okay. Sai Ram.